Hello guys, and welcome back to Daily Driven SA. As you can see, we're out here with another video for you guys. This is actually the first Ford on the channel. It's the Revo Stage 2, done by West Coast Tuning. So yeah, stay tuned.
We got this one day soon. We got this one day soon. One day.
Okay guys, so Dwight's gonna give us a rundown on what he's done to this beautiful machine. So yeah, let's go into Dwight.
How's it guys? I'm running a Ford Fiesta ST, stock motor, stock turbo. I'm running Revo software stage 2, currently running on performance B with the help of OB1. What else I have in here? I've got a Revo intake, the full Revo intake. I have a intercooler by FFD. I have a DD Plus as well. I'm also running Cool Boost Stage 2 progressive Meth kit. I've got a TMSS downpipe and I have a power flow exhaust with one back box. Yeah, that's about I can think of.
Nice, it's a very nice setup. Yeah. So yeah, let's go and see what you can do on the Draggy device.
Alright, let's do it.
Sure.
Hey?
Still spinning a lot first and second. But yeah, I got like 14.2.
14.2.
Yeah. I was hoping like 13.
Yeah, 39.
Yeah, maybe it's not my day.
Yeah. It's fine. You can always come back and try another one.
Yeah.
Alright guys, welcome back. As you can see, it's night time. You saw in the previous runs, we did the best time was 14.2. So yeah, that was in hot conditions, so we're just gonna try to do a rerun, see what time we can do. Because I know it's a stage 2 Revo tune, so we can do a better time. So hopefully we get better results this time. So yeah, let's check it out.
In speed, it's not doing what it's supposed to. She's still 100 miles, 101. So that's about what, 160?
160. Yeah.
So that's like stage 1.
Stage 1. Yeah.
So basically I'm running on my
Stage 1 file.
palm file. Basically.
Palm
But
file, yeah.
I'm pretty sure I'm ready.
So you're gonna go another 2 runs maybe? If
Alright guys, so the previous run was 14 flat, so he's gonna give it one more go.
$13.9.
Yes, well done, brah.
Verified. Very nice. You satisfied, what?
Yeah, I think I'll be satisfied with that.
39.
Look, I'm thinking I'm just gonna have to check everything on the car again.
Yeah.
But 39 is fine. I mean, obviously street
Yeah.
race,
Street, yeah.
street tires and stuff. But yeah, I think
You
the next time I come,
you're satisfied for now?
yeah, satisfied. Satisfied. This is in the 13s at least.
Yeah. Over to Dwight. Dwight, what do you think of the time?
I'm okay with it. There's still obviously room for improvement.
Yeah.
Especially my third and fourth. So I think there could be maybe issue with my N75 valve, which a lot of these cars have a problem with. So I'll probably just get it serviced again and then check that valve and then maybe do logs actually from tomorrow. Check if everything is still fine on the car and then yeah, I will definitely come back again because there's always room for improvement.
Yes. We would love to have it.
Co-owner of West Coast Tuning, and they're really doing a very good job. They're also a Revo authorized dealer, so yeah, they're also running a few specials in December. So yeah, it's just going to tell us more about the company.
So we are basically based here in Sierras, we're based in Parklands, in Cape Town and Somerset West. So we basically do it basically after hours. We are running a special for 20%. So what you have to do is you have to go on to the Only Revo website and then you can just inquire about the voucher. So you can basically just apply for the voucher, you can send it to us and then we'll give you about 20% off on your flash on your car. You can also just check Only Revo if your car has software for the car, or you can actually just email us directly because we are actually on Facebook, Instagram, and then I'll just send you my email address so that everyone can email us. So basically, yes, we supply downpipes, we supply hardware basically for the cars, intakes, anything that you think of basically for upgrades, business software. So yeah.
Alright guys, so
That's
yeah,
about it.
we just want to thank Dwight for coming through. Really enjoyed our day with him, and yeah, I'll link all the social media pages down below. I'll send you guys, or I'll attach his email address at the bottom so you guys can check them out. So yeah, thank you Dwight for coming through. We really enjoyed your performance, and yeah, well done on the 13 seconds. Guys, this is actually the first 13-second call on the page, so yeah.